Hey guys, want to show you a new mount I'm working on called Pixelcade Jumbo. So this is the largest Pixelcade to date. This is 40 inches wide by 10 inches tall. See here what the back looks like. Might be a little bit bright on camera because I don't have the diffuser on this right now, but just to give you a feel, this is what it'll look like with the diffuser on there. This can be done in a flush mount or protruding mount depending on your cabinet dimensions. This one is going out to customer. This is actually going to be a flush mount. So here's the front plex that's going to go on top of it. Right now I don't have these in production. This is actually the only one I have, but if there's interest, I can source these panels, and I think these are really good if you've got like a big mega cabinet. If you've got a marquee area that again can fit 40 by 10, this is a good fit. This will take up most of the marquee space for you. So would love any feedback. Let me know what you think about this. If you have demand for it, let me know and I can start to source these. Thanks.